Hi everyone! Today, let us make one of the favorite dish which is super easy to cook, dried shrimp fried rice. First, let us put in the salt, sugar, peppers into the rice, followed by soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and mix them thoroughly. Here it is. Let us get a big wok and heat up the rest of the cooking oil, followed by the butter. Well, after it melted and while it is hot, let us put in the minced garlic and shallot. And then let us stir fry it until it smells fragrance before putting in the dried shrimp. Here are some tips of preparing dried shrimp to make it even more delicious. First, soak it in water till it reaches softer texture, followed by stir-frying it with a little bit of water. Now you have a perfect dried shrimp for the fried rice. Well, before you putting in the plain rice, don't forget to pour in the red cut chilies. This step is really important for me because I really fancy spicy fried rice. Next, don't forget to put in the green onions and let us keep stir frying it until it's sizzling hot, and ta-da! It is done!